Okay, you have invested in a Kärcher steam cleaner, and you want to find what other uses you can make of it. One of the uses that I have found for your Kärcher is that you can actually clean your mattress with that. You don't need to buy a new mattress if it is all right. You just use this, steam will clean it. I had just a half an hour time to do this, and I thought that okay, why don't try this? And as you see, it's working. I will do also the pressure tool for doing the seams, these points, and the sides also with a smaller tool that has a smaller head. And I will leave it for a while, open the window and everything, just to make sure that this is properly done and it's dry. When I touch it, it's slightly wet, not much. And okay, if you have also dust mite in your bed, which is very common in the Western European countries, including the United Kingdom, probably in America also, or Canada definitely. So from time to time, it's good to actually to steam clean. It's very difficult to do with the mattress, the steam cleaning. You can do also wash the duvet and the pillows, but the mattress is impossible. So the best way actually you can do it is just steam clean it. You go one run on each trip, you return on that. When you're near the edge, be careful that you don't go beyond that because the cloth will fall. Then a slightly halfway move and start again a new trip, a new strap. Move forward to the edge of the mattress, return on it. So in this way, every half width of this, you're double steaming. Good result because of that. Again, move half of the width to the left, gently moving it forward so the steam has enough time to clean and kill any germs or anything that is there. If there is dust mite, you can just also get sure that this is done. And then again another half width and start the cycle.